I'm staying in Tanzania, Africa, and I am enjoying the beauty of the place around me. It has been just delightful to be able to be here. And right now I want to talk to you about colons. You know that one period on top of the other that we use in the sentence? When do we use them? Well, some of you will remember from high school that you can use that colon after a salutation in a formal letter. Dear Dr. Jones, colon. It's a formal letter. However, if I was to write you about the beauty here in Africa, as a friend or a fellow student, or someone that I know by name, someone who I'm familiar with, an informal letter, we just have a comma after that salutation. Dear Jeremy, comma. Well, most of you know that rule regarding a colon. However, there's also another rule that seems to be very well known. It's when you have a list and you would like to highlight it, you can have an introductory statement and you use the word following, like this. Make sure you bring the following to class, colon, and then you have the list. Now, some of you have a complete understanding regarding the importance of that word following. However, some of you have seen that you can have a colon with a list and not have that word following, or a word that's similar that highlights that. So, how do you put that together so it is grammatically correct? Well, there's an important rule to remember, and I want to highlight that rule for you. The rule is, make sure that you have used a complete sentence before the colon if you're not using the word following. Listen to this sentence. It is mandatory to bring a number of items to class. Okay, it stands on its own. It makes sense on its own. You have that independent clause. Then you put a colon, and then you list the items. Books, paper, pen, and calculator. So just remember, if you don't want to use the word following or something similar, and you're about to highlight a list, make sure that you have an independent clause, a sentence, before that colon. Thanks.